healthy recipes. Today on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking a recipe directly from our garden. We are cooking sauteed zucchini and summer squash. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Slice onions. Place a large skillet over medium heat, spray it with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Add onions, saute until brown, 5 minutes. Slice, and cube zucchini. Set aside. Take a moment to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other garden fresh recipes. Also, subscribe below to know when we release new videos. Repeat with summer squash. Add zucchini and summer squash to the skillet. Combine with onions, and pour in wine. Bring to a boil. Crumble in bouillon cube and add salt. Stir to combine. Mince garlic. Place garlic into the skillet. Combine. Cook until most of the liquid absorbs, 15 to 20 minutes. What recipes would you like to see more of? Tell us your recipe in the comments section below the video. Sliced tomatoes. Place tomatoes into the skillet. Gently stir. And sprinkle in Dash seasoning. Combine again and cook 5 minutes. Roughly chop fresh basil. Sprinkle in basil. Combine one final time and remove from heat. If you are enjoying this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, subscribe and click notifications to stay current on new recipes. Transfer sauteed zucchini and summer squash to a bowl. Garnish with basil and serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.